Okay, so on this problem, you are running into an issue, I think, keeping track of negative signs. So let's double check. Your setup looks good. You've interpreted this stuff right. So I think what you've got here, the picture you took is a little blurry, so I just want to make sure I got it right. What I'm seeing here is 6. Because you are evaluating from t to 5, you're putting in a t squared minus 7. So that would be your first part. That's your substituting in, that's your f of t. Then we have to do f of 5. So therefore, when we substitute that in, that would be what? 6 times 5 squared minus 7. And we can simplify that out a little bit. And I think that's where your mistake's occurring. So if you would have simplified this to begin with, if you just would have done right here, done 6 times 25 minus 7, then 6 times 25, so let's see, 4 of them at 100, that's 150 minus 7, so therefore that gives us 143. And you'll notice right here, that's not 143. So let's keep looking though. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually do this the exact same way you did it so you can see where your mistake came in. So what we're going to do is fill it in into our whole equation, our whole slope equation, which would be, as you filled in, 6t squared minus 7 minus, and here's your mistake, 6 times 5 squared minus 7, all divided by t minus 5. So now, where's the mistake? Where's the mistake? Because that's what you wrote down. Well, it's simple. It's an easy one to make because you have to remember it's f of, let's just do it this way. It's y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Because you didn't write those parentheses, you didn't distribute your negative. So once we do that, that's going to give us the slope is equal to 6t squared minus 7 minus 150 plus 7 all over t minus 5. So therefore now we're going to end up with 6t squared, and the negative 100, well, actually here it's kind of easy. The 7's and the 7's simplify, so therefore that just leaves us with minus 150 over t minus 5. And so now we only have to worry about factoring this numerator if we're concerned about something simplifying out of it. So I can start by factoring out a 6, I believe. We'll find out. Yeah, I think it'll work. So that's t squared minus 150 divided by 6. Let's see, 6 goes into 15 two times. That's 12, remainder 3. So that'd be a 5. So there we go. Divided by t minus 5. So now we can factor that numerator a little easier. So t squared minus 25 is t plus 5. T minus 5 divided by t minus 5. Those divide, leaving me with 6 times t plus 5. There we go. I hope that is essentially what you're trying to get to. And essentially your big problem was because of not putting those parentheses. You'll see right there, when you filled it in, you didn't do your parentheses. And since you didn't have those, everything went awry. All right, best of luck.